everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Vicky Graphic and welcome back. It's good to be here again. If this is your first time, welcome. Here we talk about Canva tips and tricks, business of designs, and every new Canva update. So you want to hit the subscribe button and like this video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this Duotone effect right here in Canva. So not to waste more time, let's get right into this video. Okay, now this is the image we'll be using, and to get access to this image, click the link below this video to get access to it in my Telegram group, where I also drop new video updates. Alright, so now without wasting much time, the first thing we're going to do is to edit this photo. Want to edit to our Duotone effect, so I'm going to tap on the Duotone, and I'll be using the custom filter. So this is the custom one. This custom one here, you come to input any type you want. So now to this dark one here, I'm going to tap on it, and I'll be using a dark purple color. So I'm just going to drag this here, dark purple. Okay, now coming to the highlight, I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to bring it down, then drag this color here to the same purple, and I'm going to take it up a bit to be light purple. So you see that the shadow here helped me in darkening this whole place, and the highlight is for the background and her face. So I'll reduce the intensity a bit, reduce it to 97. So after doing that, the next thing we want to do is to edit our photo. Okay, so now to do that, we need to go to our adjust here. So tap on this adjust here, and I'm just going to come down here and increase the sharpness and the clarity. So while I'm doing all that, you can see that this image is becoming quite sharp. I want it to look very sharp. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to come to our shadows, and I'm going to reduce the shadow a bit because of this her clothes. I want it to have that dark effect on it. So now to this highlights, increase the highlights. 12 is okay. And to my contrast, I'll increase my contrast and then increase the brightness because of her face. Okay, so the next thing here, the black, I'm going to increase it a bit. Just 6 is okay, and white to 8. So this is what I want now. This is giving me exactly what I want. This is just what I want. Okay, now we are done with the image. The next thing I'll be doing is to select this photo. So the photo is attached to the background, and I just want to select the photo so it can come out from the background, so I can add other effects right there in the background. Okay, now so to do that, we have to go to our edit, and then we come to our Magic Studio, and under our Magic Studio we will tap on Magic Grab. Yeah, so I'm going to tap on the image and then grab it because that is what I want to grab. Right, it's loading up. Okay, so the image, you can see now that I can move this image from the background. Okay, so I don't want to move it too much. So now the next thing I'm going to bring is I'm going to come to my end and search for circle frame, circle shadow I mean. So I'm going to come to my graphics here, and then I'm going to tap on this one. If you are using the free version, you can just find any free version one that you can use. So I'm going to edit it. That is too dark. I want it to be purple, and then a very light purple. Going to- Yeah. So I'm going to edit it again, and I'm just going to make it very light. I want a light, reflection at the back of the image. So after doing that, I'm going to just close this and then position it to the back of the image. So I'm just going to take it to the back so you can see that reflection at her back. Yeah, so because I want this to look realistic. Yeah, so now the next thing we are going to be doing is to bring in our text. Yes, this text I used for this design here. Text I use here. So what I wrote there is achalugo. Yeah, I wrote achalugo. So I'm going to duplicate it and bring it down here. Yeah, so for the font is called Chilink. Is it Chilink? Yeah, Chilink. Chilink, and then I went to the effect to add the neon light effect. So if I remove it, none, it's just going to be like this. This is how the font looks like. But if I just tap on this neon effect here, it's going to give that light. I don't want it to be too bright. I reduce the intensity, but it's just as if the intensity does not even work at all, so I just left it that way. Okay, so let me see none. Okay, let's leave it with the none first. So achalugo, you can see there ACH, and the other A here LUGO. Yeah, achalugo. So you can just write any other thing you want. Maybe if you are using a male picture, you can just write your own odogu. Yeah, so I'm going to position it to the back, and this is what you are going to get without the neon effect. But I'm going to put the neon effect because I like the way it made it pop. So I'm going to arrange this text here. Just going to arrange it. I want the A to be kind of visible. Yeah, so I'm going to tap on it and reduce the transparency a bit to 90. Okay, let's leave it at 94. Yeah, let's leave it at 94. So this is the Duotone effect. This is the Duotone effect. This is how I created this Duotone effect right here on Canva. All right, so let's see. And another thing I did, I added some gradients at the background. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to search for gradient. Yeah, gradient transparent. So I'm going to tap on this one, bring it over here, and then I'm going to change the color to purple, dark purple, and then the white to the light purple. Then I'm going to increase it and just keep it right here, then position it to the back. Yeah, so that is how I got this effect here at the background. You can see that the background here is kind of dark. So that is how I did that. And our Duotone effect is ready. So this is how I created this Duotone effect. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you've watched up to this point, drop a like and a comment. So let me know in the comment section what you want me to create, what video you want me to create again. So I'll be in the comment section and I'll be watching. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.